I'm watching the road construction crew. They are tar and chipping. I'm like not sure what kind of potato chips they're gonna use. Like if they're gonna be kettle cooked or barbecue. But, oh, they're not that kind of chip. Well, what kind of chip? Stone chips. Oh, okay. They're gonna stone chip and tar my road. That's what they're doing. But I got a whole video to show you that I've been watching them. I'm supervising again. That's all I'm good at is supervising. But they're very loud. I'm hearing beep, 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 and the trucks are. There is no sleeping. This has been going on for 2 summers now. I'm hoping they're gonna be done today.
Are you watching them?